All right, guys, we got an Avalon here, Toyota Avalon. But if you got an Avalon, Camry, 4Runner, you need to adjust the rear brakes, the emergency brake, or if you need to install it. So what we did pretty much was we removed this spring, we took off the retainer here, everything comes out. To reverse it, put the adjuster in the bottom. I greased it up internally, and this is where you adjust it from right here, and you stick that back in with the spring in the back. Then you bring it back in, and there's like a little cable in the back. You gotta attach that with the little horseshoe looking clip. You're gonna put this retainer spring. There's a retainer in the bottom, and these clips go in the spring and everything. And then you put the this little metal rod in here with this new spring, new hardware, and then you attach two springs. This is gonna be the hardest part. Make sure you clean in the back and you put greasing in the back. So now what we're gonna do is, there's a lot of greasing on this because it's touching and everything. So just spray some cleaner on your shoes will be a good idea. And after that, the rest shoes will just clean themselves onto the new rotor. We got the new rotor set. Clean the inside bore here. Make sure you clean the cylinder inside here. So we're gonna take that and I'm gonna put this away. Bring it up. We're gonna put that drum shoe in. I'm sorry, the rotor in. And usually you got two holes. If your rotor, okay, we do have it right here. So this hole gonna match. Okay, nope. Let me just turn it. So it's gonna match. Wait, it's gonna match with this hole right here. So get this hole like that. Should go in. Should go in nicely and easily. Okay. So that doesn't give us a lot of space there to adjust, but you need to adjust that emergency brake. Okay, if it's too loose, you're not gonna have e-brake. You're gonna have e-brake, but not too hard. So what we're gonna do is, let's take this off. I'm gonna take this disc off. So what I'm gonna do is manually, from right here, I want to turn this manually to adjust it a bit. Okay, bring that back, bring it back, put it on this hole. No, this goes here, right there. Too easy to get on. Just take it off, hold it, just like take it off, hold it in your hands, move it to the side. So he's gonna be ready to put it right back on. So I'm gonna adjust a little bit more. Okay, I'm going the wrong way, I think. Let me see which way I'm going. Okay, this is the wrong way. So I'll go through this hole. I'll do probably 3 more turns. Same procedure on the opposite side. So if you put new hardware and everything, it should be really easy to work with this. Okay, let's put it on. Is it rough? It's rough. It's rough. Okay, take it off. It's rough now. And the reason why is because we opened the shoes up too much. So what I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna go back now, okay? We're gonna go back 1, 2, 3 clicks pretty much. Put it on. There you go. That's pretty easy to put on. You see that? I can hear the shoes touching slightly. That's perfect, okay? I'm gonna leave it there, okay? And that's it. We're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. You're not gonna see it. So you can also adjust from this little hole right here. But you don't want to lock. If you lock it up, you might be in trouble. So all you got to do is, you know what? Let me do 1 click from right here. There you go. It will get more tighter as I push it more and more. But we're gonna leave it there. I think that's perfectly fine. And yep, we're gonna leave it there. You know what? Take it off. I'm gonna go back 1 click. Take it off. Grab it from here. Okay, I'm gonna go back 1 click. Okay, let's see. That was like a half a click. There you go. Put it on, then that's it. We're done. Make sure every single retainer is clicked on properly. And grab this. If you push it in, you see that? I can hear the shoes touching, but they're free. Okay, the rotor is free to turn. Perfect. Do the same thing on the opposite side. We're all done. Thank you for watching.